So school started, and like I promised, I'm gonna do the giveaway winners. So I'm at the video right now, and right now I'm using the new feature in Snow Leopard for QuickTime X, which is screen recording, which you can now do without purchasing ScreenFlow, but it does not record your face at the same time. But it's pretty good for something that's free. So let's get to the contest winners. So this is gonna be selected randomly. There is about 197 entries. So this is how I'm going to do it. Since there's 20 pages of comments on here and each page can only contain 10 comments at max, I'll be using random number generator to first generate a number between 1 through 20. That's the page indicator. And then another number generator from 1 to 10, which is from top to bottom the comment. So let's go to random.org. 1 to 20. Generate. Okay, number 1, but just in case to show you that it is actually random, generate again. 17. So let's go back to 1, and this time we're gonna do 1 through 10. First page 8 comment. So here's the first page, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bam, X5. Congratulations, you've just won a Richardsolo 1200. So please give me your address and I will be getting to it. So let's go back to comment page. Pause this video and let's do it again. So 1 through 20, another number. Generate. So it's 8. Okay. So wait, no, it's 5. Okay, so let's go to page 5. Wait, no, we gotta go back and generate number 1 through 10. So the first comment on page 5 is going to win the second Richardsolo. So remember, this contest is only available in the United States and Canada. And the first person on page 5 is Knuckleballer07. So congratulations, Knuckleballer07, you have won. So email me send me a private message for, alright, all winners just listen here. Send me a private message with your address and I'll be forwarding it to Paul Tui, the Director of Operation at Richardsolo. So thanks for entering this contest and have fun doing stuff. Okay, good. Congratulations.